Introduction to the Realme Pad 2. In the ever-evolving world of tech innovations, Realme, a prominent player in the smartphone market, takes a significant leap forward with the introduction of the Realme Pad 2. This latest offering aims to redefine the tablet experience, blending cutting-edge technology with user-centric features. Design and build quality. The Realme Pad 2 boasts an ergonomic and sleek design, embodying a fusion of style and functionality. Crafted with precision, its lightweight yet durable build promises portability without compromising sturdiness. Display, clarity and size. The device impresses with a vivid and expansive display, featuring a high-resolution screen that enhances visual clarity and detail. The sizable display elevates entertainment, gaming, and productivity experiences. Performance, processor and RAM. Under the hood, the Realme Pad 2 houses a robust processor coupled with ample RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking, smooth performance, and swift responsiveness, catering to diverse user demands. Camera capabilities. Equipped with enhanced camera capabilities, the Realme Pad 2 captures moments with clarity and precision. The integrated cameras promise to deliver stunning photos and facilitate immersive video calls. Battery life and charging. Efficiency reigns supreme with an impressive battery life that fuels prolonged usage. Coupled with rapid charging technology, users can stay connected and engaged without frequent interruptions. Software and user interface. Realme Pad 2 operates on a user-friendly interface, providing an intuitive and customizable experience. The device runs on the latest software, promising a seamless and secure environment. Connectivity options. The tablet offers a range of connectivity options, ensuring versatility and adaptability. From Wi-Fi to Bluetooth and more, staying connected becomes effortless. Multimedia experience, audio and video. Immersive audio and enhanced visual experiences define the Realme Pad 2. The device delivers rich audio quality and vibrant visuals, enhancing entertainment and content consumption. Accessories and add-ons. Realme Pad 2 offers a suite of compatible accessories and add-ons, enhancing its functionality and usability, catering to diverse user preferences. Comparison with previous models. A comparative analysis with its predecessors highlights the evolutionary strides taken by the Realme Pad 2, showcasing significant upgrades and enhancements. Pricing and availability. An exploration of pricing details and market availability provides insights into the accessibility of this cutting-edge tablet, ensuring potential users have essential information. User reviews and feedback. Insights from user reviews and feedback offer a holistic perspective on the Realme Pad 2's performance and user satisfaction, guiding potential buyers. Future updates and support. Realme's commitment to ongoing support and future updates ensures a sustainable and evolving user experience, keeping the device relevant and efficient. Conclusion. Summarizing the Realme Pad 2. In conclusion, the Realme Pad 2 emerges as a frontrunner in the tablet domain, offering a harmonious blend of innovation, performance, and user-centric features. Its seamless integration of technology and usability elevates the tablet experience, catering to diverse user needs. Is the Realme Pad 2 suitable for gaming purposes? Absolutely. The Realme Pad 2 is well equipped for gaming. Its robust processor and ample RAM ensure smooth gameplay and efficient multitasking. The high-resolution display enhances the gaming experience by offering vivid visuals and immersive gameplay. What distinguishes the Realme Pad 2 from its competitors? What sets the Realme Pad 2 apart from its competitors is its seamless integration of performance and user-centric features. Its sleek design, powerful processor, impressive display, and versatile functionalities make it stand out in the tablet market, providing a well-rounded experience for users. Does the Realme Pad 2 support stylus input? Yes, the Realme Pad 2 supports stylus input, allowing users to unleash their creativity and productivity. The compatibility with a stylus enhances the user experience, especially for note-taking, drawing, and precise interactions. Are there any anticipated color variants for the Realme Pad 2? As for anticipated color variants, Realme might introduce various color options for the Pad 2 to cater to different user preferences and styles. However, specific details regarding color variants may vary based on region and market availability. How does the battery life of the Realme Pad 2 fare during continuous usage? The battery life of the Realme Pad 2 holds up well during continuous usage. With its efficient battery management and rapid charging technology, users can expect extended usage without frequent interruptions, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting performance. Subscribe now for more exciting content. Join our community and stay updated with the latest trends, tips, and entertainment. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.